Hello, so we're back and this time we have a nice laptop to repair. I will start by apologizing for my voice. I have quite a bad cold. Anyway, can you see any laptop? Because this is a nice laptop. You can't, right? Okay, let me bring the laptop. So this is the laptop we have for repair. This is a riddle. So the laptop is on spares. We proper sorted parts like screws, metal parts, different screws. So that's how the laptop came. Just to understand like what kind of patience you need to put everything like in the bags and with stickers here. So this is that kind of, when you buy a kit and you have to put it all back together. Yeah. Okay, let's open this nice laptop. Okay, this is a nice back cover. I found it. I found it. So this is a nice laptop. Okay, HP Pavilion i5, a decent laptop. And this, what is this? Huh? This is a nice screen. You see? It's just, like a puzzle. We have to put it all back together. Okay, so what's the story with this laptop? The customer sent us a letter with, the inventory and everything. But the customer email, and this is not the first time when this customer sent me a job for repair. Let's have a look on his email. The customer is saying, no backlight, works on the HDMI. It's a HP Pavilion, and we have to fix it. So what do you think about this, huh? Easy money, right? Backlight, fuse, wires. Well, let's open the back cover first. And the back cover is open. This is a nice motherboard. Somehow we have to test the laptop. The battery is unplugged. Good. Okay, so the screen connector probably is here. Let's plug the screen. Let's put the screen here. Perfect. Let me plug a charger and see what it's doing. Actually, we can call this laptop IKEA laptop, right? Yeah. So on the power supply, 19 volts. Perfect. Plug in the charger. The charger is plugged. It's taking like 10 milliamps, which is normal. Let's press the power button. And the laptop, it is coming on. You can see there the power. Yeah, it is coming on like 1 amp. We cannot see picture yet because the BIOS is reset because the battery was disconnected. Oh yeah, I can see picture here. Can you see it? Here you have a barcode. You can see it? Probably not. You can't see that barcode? Huh? So we do have picture but no backlight. HP logo. You can see the HP logo? Yeah. Okay, that's good. So why we don't have backlight? Let's try to check. What we are checking first? The 19 volts, the main power rail, has to reach the inverter on the screen. But how we can check? Okay, that's kind of tricky because we cannot check with the screen plugged in. So I disconnected the power. And where is the power here? I mean, you can have a look on the screen connector for, tracks being connected together. And you know what? I have to admit it, this is strange. Because the only tracks together are here 3 pins together and here 3 pins together. Usually at the end of the screen connector, you will have pairs of pins connected together, but not on this one. I'm assuming one is ground and one is 3.3, but still I have no idea which one is 19. You see, on this case, I cannot really count on my experience because this connector is different compared with what we repaired before. I mean, those are not together here. And on the other end, those are not together. Yeah, so clearly this connector is different. So I will say, let's start from the screen side. So on the screen side, yeah, we have a nice connector here. Oh, looks like we found the problem. Can you spot the problem? You can't, right? Hmm. Let me leave this one. Yeah, what about now? What about now? But you know what? Those pins are gone. I mean, check here the level of damage. Here is like proper rust. You can see. I mean, it's nothing left here. Wow. Kind of beautiful if you think. Let's clean it. You know, I can see the people on the chat, they seen the fault. Oh, not again, sorry. Wires and bridges in order to repair this fault. Yeah. So it's quite impressive, actually. This screen has a picture. I mean, check what damage is here. So we clean it. So what is missing from there? Those pins are fine, yeah? So what we are missing are 3 pins. So most likely those are for the backlight. Yeah, let's take the connector out and let's check inside. And yeah, even inside is looking bad. I mean, if here is looking like that, just think inside. Okay, let me clean the connector quickly. So what is the solution for this repair? I mean, it's quite easy. You tell the customer he need another screen and he need another screen ribbon cable. But that's not only long, yeah? The first, you'll start having problem taking out the screen. This screen is with the touch screen are stuck together. Okay, you'll say, okay, don't worry, I will buy the screen with the touch screen. When you will buy the screen and the touch screen, these boards matter. So you will find out, the touch screen is working weird with, taking touch on different position because it's not compatible. I mean, I went on that road so many times, you know what I mean? That's why this repair can be done in only one way, yeah? The dodgy way. Let's check the board. So those are okay, it was together, not anymore. Yeah, no. Here is not even ground. You know what? We can't even repair this. So what we have to do is to go to the inverter and see if we have any plus track good here where we can solder a wire. So let's open this metal, this cover. Wow, I don't understand how this screen has picture. I'll show you what is inside. That's crazy. So check here, yeah, check here. So it's hard to believe actually this screen has picture. I mean, yeah, those are from the backlight, but it's liquid damage everywhere in this screen. Wow, pretty bad. Okay, let's clean it. Good. Cleaned. And it's looking fine, right? Yeah, it is looking fine. Perfect. I mean, the inverter still looks like an inverter. Yeah, looks fine. You see, we have a fuse there. You see that white thingy? Yeah, that's a fuse. Let's dry. Good. Do we have short on the main power rail? No, we don't have short. The fuse is good? Yeah, the fuse is good. So here we should have this track should go to the screen connector. And it's not going here, it's not going here, not here, not here. And that sucks. So basically we cannot run wires from here. We have to run the wire from here. Okay, so what do we need? We need a little bit of rosin here. Perfect. Solder wire. No, we can't solder there. Okay, let's solder on the fuse. If we can. No, we can't solder on the fuse. Lol, that pad is gone, you can see it. Okay, let's solder here then. Perfect, we have solder there. Let's solder a wire here. Perfect, perfect. You see, this is a proper calibrated wire. And that's all what we need. We are taking the wire out here. We can put this all back together. Hopefully the inverter is working. Hopefully. Perfect. And now we have to focus on the screen connector. Ta-da! So that's all what we need. Now I'm assuming, let's see. Actually, I'm not assuming anything. Or kind of strange because I have the wires here where it's not damaged. So how this connector is working? Or you think the wires are broken and actually are here somewhere? Let's check. Okay, we made some light here. But still, I'm not sure which are the wire for the backlight. You know how we can find out? Very simple. Let's plug the charger. And we can check the voltage on the connector. So plug in the charger. So we have 19 onto the laptop. And the voltage here is nothing. Here is 13 volts, which is fine. Here is 13 volts. Here is 13 volts. And that's all. I don't understand how the voltage can be here if the wires are only up here. Pretty strange. Oh yeah, now it's making sense. Check that, yeah? So actually, the wire, you see the wire inside? So it's going there, yeah. Okay, now it's making sense. So those two wires, this one and this one, yeah, so we have those two white wires. Yeah, okay, now it's fine. And let's take care of those wires. Perfect. Good. This one. And this one. Now we have to check the voltage on the wire just to be sure that both they have 19 volts or 13 volts. So plug in the charger. And here we have, yeah, we have voltage, right? 13 volts. And here, we have 13 volts, okay? So everything is according with the plan. So what about now? Now all we have to do is to solder the orange wire to these wires. That's all. Yeah. Perfect. Now we can solder them all together. This one with this one. Perfect. And this one. How you solder 3 wires on the same time? Huh? Anyone knows? Perfect. We solder all 3 wires together. Now let's isolate those wires. Because here is the main power rail, which is 13 volts. Perfect. Huh? So what do you think? It will work or not? That's the question. Let's see. Let's see. So plug in the charger. Cool, no short. The inverter looks good. Pressing the power button. Let's see. Come on. Come on, give me backlight. Come on, backlight. Backlight. We have picture. That's great. Actually, we have backlight because we had picture before. Lol, that's insane. Check here. We have backlight. Enter. Lol, I can't believe actually it's working. I mean, I never seen this kind of, this level of damage. And it's loading the windows. That's crazy. Okay. Let's try to put it all back together, yeah, because here we have a lot of stuff. Let's make it nice. Perfect. So all is looking proper nice here, yeah. All we need, yeah, this board has to be stuck here. All we need is a little bit of hot glue. Just a little bit. Perfect. Perfect. Just to be sure everything is on place there. Where is the back cover of this screen? So the back cover was something like that. You know what? Actually, I feel bad to break the backs, yeah, like those things, and take out the screws. I mean, I feel bad, the guy actually, put some effort on that. So I will be using few of my screws. Perfect. Let's put a hinge. And it's working. CMOS reset. And I think we are done. Sorry, there is a user. But you know what? It's strange because we've seen how much liquid damage it is. Actually, on the screen, there are no like shadows with water damage on the screen. Kind of strange. Okay, fantastic. I'm happy I helped the customer. I will say thank you for watching. Don't forget, just, like, subscribe if you like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.